sebuah pesawat angkut medis dengan 3 awak hilang dalam penerbangan antara Maui dan Big Island. Peristiwa ini membuat para pejabat berwenang menangguhkan layanan penerbangan medis antar kepulauan Hawaii. 3 awak yang membawa pesawat angkut medis hilang kontak dalam penerbangan antara Maui dan Big Island. Para pejabat berwenang pun untuk sementara menangguhkan layanan penerbangan medis antar kepulauan Hawaii. Menurut penjaga pantai, pesawat kehilangan kontak radar di sekitar 17 mil selatan Hana di Samudra Pasifik. Saat ini penjaga pantai mengatakan sedang melakukan pencarian dibantu dengan perahu, helikopter, dan pesawat kargo.
That there are people involved, and so our hearts break for the potential loss of life for those 3 individuals that were on the life flight. These are healthcare heroes who have been working for years, if not decades, caring for our people, transferring sick individuals from neighbor islands to Oahu when in crisis. So that's the first thing that we want to remind people, that we potentially lost loved ones who have helped keep people alive. So, last night that plane went down and there was no patient on the flight at the time. They were going for a pickup, but what has happened subsequently is there is a pause now in services statewide, and the word for that pause we will get into in a moment, but basically it is a stand down, meaning that we're unable to use Hawaii Life Flight for a period of time until they're cleared.